I grounded my adult son for eating gluten. My son loves food with wheat in them way too much. As a result, for months, he was having stomach problems, and we finally figured out wheat was the issue. Right away, I got to work. I learned all the different names for wheat, spent hundreds of dollars on gluten-free foods, snacks, and ingredients, and even started cooking gluten-free meals for him, but he still had stomach problems. So we went back to the doctor. Turns out, he's been spending his money at school on biscuits and snacks with wheat in them. He eats McDonald's and other junk food at his friends' houses too. The doctor warned him that his allergy could get worse. Last weekend, he came home with hives after eating pizza at a party. He's 17, not a little kid. He knows what wheat is and what it does to him, but he keeps choosing to eat things he shouldn't. His school said they can't stop him from buying wheat-filled snacks because he's old enough to make his own choices. The final straw came tonight. I took him to a restaurant that serves gluten-free food and got him a $26 gluten-free meal. He didn't eat it. Instead, he sneaked food off other people's plates and ate bread. On the way home, his stomach hurt and he made the car smell bad. He denied eating wheat at first, but admitted it when I pressed him. At this point, I was fed up with his BS and grounded him for